Odofo me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadi we eye dwumadi ato ne dini Nkuranhyensem mreso. Me a wani tu a wo hwe me ediam ni so eye Nita Kotego 1. Ewiase nyina me pe na efra me sa Nita Kotego. Na mpacho beti ma ba odini anka mete onka. Me da se. Na me bom pa se dwumadi a wodie bia na dai. Ebe wie peyo na abrabo anamontuo ede asumdwe ne nkoso abrewo. What is wrong with me? It also means I'm double. Tell me also say, hey, now then I'm a say, now me can say you, what is wrong with my circumstance? Ghana, I tell you, what is wrong with Ghana? You're penny for what is wrong with our leaders? Also, should be say, what is wrong with you? Okay? For you to change your life circumstances, there's one important thing I say, plan. One will say, Ube si danya, me si ne baba no crap paper be say. Na edan no hyehyɛ eguso ye friend plan and obetu foundation no tuamna. The building is built based on a plan. So this is your life. You are building a life for your future. This is your marriage. This is your business and your health. Have a plan how you want to make it look like. Plan na be kire kwa be fa so ama abrabo agina abrabo mu plan na be hyehyɛ no. And then we ye how you want to spend your time each day should be part of the plan. Kwambe so na do umre ebe nuama amo abrabo. Emre sen na do be mo abrabo apomodne wawade ne wadwuma wo ye. Wadisua set a plan on what time you have to spend with you, with friends, with your spouse, with your business and with your health. Don't just live anyhow. It's your life. It's your life. Obi show. Obi intimi control. One kasa na ukra brabo. Una ukra wadie. Una ukra wajuma woye. Una ukra pomodne. Se wo penshi shebi. Edi 200 day. Become aware of the truth about where you are today. Hina do abrabo kodru ne. What have you been doing so far? Enema ben na woye besi semri. What needs to change? And no matter what do you need to embrace? No matter to ensure the change and improvement you desire. Onipa bia wa brabo abo yes say bia no mpuntuo bem. Say sakrai bem. Say wa de usikasem say na da say e da sin won ne. Empo sankoyi a mempa ba. Ankoyi a mensu. Shinkete na ka che on say ankoyi no. Kwambe so na mefa asesane mamu. Na ayeye. No one is forcing you to do anything that you don't want to do. Obi ntimi shaw say na mama ho a pese obeye. Simple and there ne na da ba. Se ojira ka say asem we amati. Dia me hunu ne kwa so no no. Se edi minya. Ana se ehema nkranhye na ekenya me. No one will force you to live the life you are living. Nyoma wo tie no ebi ye ntro a enyi ntum. Nema wahunu no ebi wa efe nsunya ne kwano no anyuntum. No one is making you go where you are going and do the kind of job you are doing. One akopa adwuma wo ye enti adwuma na nya bibi nsi kwan se obepa ade asua ka ho na so refi position wo na akọ anim enem po se obeja adwuma no so fi adwuma ni ho meja ade na medie wo na akasa adwena wadwen no. You have the choice to live the life you want to live and to become the person you want to become. Your life is your responsibility. Your life is what you make it yourself. Your life is not dependent on your mother and father, your husband or wife, your boss or others with you. Your life is what you make it. Wabrabo, wapomudne, wajuma, usikasem, wawadie, wona wope, sede beba na baba no. It is how you spend your time and your energies that will determine how your life results will become. Kwanya wodi omre efa so ye nioma ni empo wadwene mu ahoodne eno ni padua mu ahoodne osunsum ahoodne a wode ye no eno ne. Many of us seem to live as if we don't have a choice. Obu ha na me ase bibia no de akire ena enkoyie ena debi minua hwe said I would say biano. That is the choice you've made so far. Don't be trapped in the life you are living so far. Men ko say asuma fidie na fidie na nya wo. Eye bibi na da be duru ha suban bi ne ye bi ne adwene bi. Eye nema bi a yo ya anya ma wo. Na do be do anya fidie ne asom wo. Se fidie yi wo a wawu. Ti we fidie nyiwu. Suban no a do be duru ha no esi wana monstuo kwan. Ene ensi empoda so kwan. Wherever you are is not a limitation to the dream to become better. Whatever you have become today does not stop you from moving out of your comfort zone. You can become your best self. I can make it better. I can make my marriage better. I can make my health better. Fine. I can make my business outcomes become better. I can, very often we choose to focus on the broken down parts of our lives. Yeah, take the mess in your life and turn it into a message of greatness. Take the mess in your marriage, take the mess in your health and turn it into a message of greatness. Ni atete apansam obra bobiano fa hwenidi na hye mrama ho se efi na da koi se suban we na meda na di e ba amenye biom ade we na manyo a mehya ase aye kwan we na me fa so dwene ye wa wunim nioma edo abedum pempenso a waduru nyabotre and get rid of the habits and the people that are keeping you from living your great life. Suban bi wo ho ene bi wo ho anamuntuo bi wo ho se wo sinkete na ka kire ho se mia na medumi ho abeduru ha ma brabo me na me abrabo mo driver. I am my life's manager. I cannot fire myself. I can only train myself to become better for a good future and a better future. Untimi nkoku ho wadwere wo untimi nkoyin replace. All you can do is to replace the thoughts, the emotions and the attitudes and beliefs in your mind, and your life will change for the better. Abusuya na wo ye bia na be yi wa brabo be koyi wate wadwuma be koyi ware be koyi wosika sem be koyi wa pomde be koyi se wotimi ye nneoma bia se wo ye obi aye bi da hwehunu ene subampa ene be boa wo hwehunu ahobrase ene suban be boa wo onyame enya onyansan do be bubra na dai onyame enya osuban do be bubra na emponi je adware wo aha ana meja wo edin yam je so unim dada ni tekotego momame na empo se nkrofo yase sound osmosis na empo bright na me na camera Alberto ana Albertase na me na me producer Randolph president de me hu na che na Welbeck Kampedu me da mu nyina ase onyame enke ho wo chanso ebehia makrao